Hello, I am Alejandro, Safety Manager at Jayton Construction Company, and I want to welcome you to this Class 7 forklift training course. As a leader in floors, foundations, and concrete walls, we value safety just as much as quality, production, and precision. This course meets OSHA standards to ensure the operator works safely, efficiently, and confidently. Training objectives: understand the risk and OSHA regulations, identify equipment components, learn safe operation practices, understand basic maintenance. Each year, around 85 deaths and 34,900 serious injuries are reported due to forklift accidents. Additionally, there are 61,800 non-serious injuries annually. Deaths: approximately 85 people die each year in forklift accidents. Serious injuries: around 34,900 serious injuries are reported annually. Non-serious injuries: there are approximately 61,800 non-serious injuries related to forklift accidents each year. Causes: the most common cause of forklift accidents are lack of training, dangerous speeds, sudden movements, and load imbalance. Prevention: to prevent accidents, it is essential to ensure proper training, use safety equipment, maintain forklifts, and comply with safety standards. OSHA regulations: the 1910.178 Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) standards establish safety requirements for the design, maintenance, and use of forklifts and other industrial motorized vehicles for any Class 7 forklifts, which are designed for rough terrain. Some key points include: design and construction requirements. Forklifts must comply with ANSI B56.1-1969 design standards, except those primarily intended for earth movement or highway transport. Operator training. Operators must receive proper training based on workplace risk and specific forklift characteristics. Inspection and maintenance. Forklifts must be regularly inspected to ensure safe operation. Any modification affecting capacity or safe operation must be approved by the manufacturer. Certification and periodic evaluation. Regular certification and evaluation of forklift operators in construction projects are essential because they ensure operators are trained to handle equipment safely, reducing accident risk, help companies comply with OSHA regulations, avoiding legal penalties, improve competency, boost productivity, and reduce downtime due to errors, extend forklift lifespans, lowering repair and replacement cost, and keep operators up to date with new technologies, procedures, and regulations. Forklift inspection. A great tip to better understand this type of equipment is paying attention to the machine model number. In this specific case, 12 refers to the capacity, usually expressed in the thousands of pounds. 56 relates to the maximum lifting height expressed in feet. It's important operators understand their equipment. Regardless of the model or manufacturer, forklifts share common components. Steering controls, handbrake, accelerator, and brake. Boom controls, indicator. Cabin, hydraulic pistons, tires. Forklift carriage, boom, engine, mast, forks. The forklift used in this training is a JCB 509-42. It's a telescopic handler with a 9,000 load capacity and a 42-foot lifting height. At Jayton Concrete Construction Company, safety is our priority. Today we will learn the importance of inspecting rough terrain forklifts. A proper inspection not only prevents accidents, but also extends the lifespan of equipment. Improving work efficiency. Every day before operating any type of machinery, it is essential to conduct a full inspection. An undetected minor issue can become a serious risk. Checking the condition of equipment helps prevent mechanical failures and ensure a safe work environment. Steps to follow before starting the forklift. Visual inspection. Look for oil leaks, tire damage, and structural issues. Control verification. Ensure brakes, lights, and horns are functioning properly. Forks and mass condition. Check for cracks or excessive wear. Fluid levels. Inspect hydraulic oil, coolant, and fuel. Functionality test. Perform a brief test to verify equipment response. The operator is the first and last safety filter. Knowing its equipment and its capabilities and limitations is key to avoiding overloads and dangerous maneuvers. A well inspected forklift is a safe forklift. Proper forklift usage. Always wear a seatbelt even on uneven terrain. It can prevent serious injuries in case of a rollover. Keep the load low and backwards while driving to improve stability and visibility. Drive at a moderate and consistent speed, adjusting for terrain and weather conditions. Stay alert to surroundings. Watch for other vehicles, pedestrians, obstacles, or slopes. Lower the forks when parking. Always turn off the engine and engage the handbrakes while leaving the forklift. Follow load limits. Never lift more than the weight specified on the machine's data plate. Turn off the engine when not in use, especially when the operator is more than 25 feet away. Proper use of chains for lifting materials. Inspect chains, shackles, or any lifting components, such as bars or lifting rebar. Place chains in designated manufacturer spots. If the forklift lacks these, use a special attachment, never the forks. Incorrect forklift usage. Do not use the forklift to transport people. It is not designed for passengers. Do not turn with an elevated load. It may cause immediate rollover. Never operate equipment if tired or under the influence. Alertness is crucial for safety. Do not drive with the load obstructing visibility. If needed, drive in reverse for better sight. Do not ascend or descend slopes with the load backwards. The load should always face uphill. Avoid using damaged or misaligned forks. They can break or destabilize the load. Never ignore warning signs or restricted areas. Always respect workers' place rules. Do not make sudden movements or rough terrain. Abrupt movements can destabilize the load or machine. Before concluding, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for your participation and commitment during this training. We've all learned important techniques, but beyond technical knowledge, the most valuable thing is that we now have the tools to ensure our own safety, that of our coworkers in the workplace. Operating an off road forklift requires responsibility and constant attention. Each of you must remember that it is not just about operating a machine, but it is about doing it in a way that protects your physical integrity and that of others. Always follow the safety protocols we've reviewed together. Safety is a continuous commitment, and applying what you've learned will contribute to a safe and more efficient work environment for all. Thank you again for your participation.